Anand Bora, Customer Success Account Manager, and I'll be presenting today's webinar from shedding some light on the black box of material properties and showing the benefits of testing materials in Moldex 3D material in our own lab here in Taiwan. I'm located physically in Farmington Hills, Michigan, where our North American headquarters is. Today's topic is a very broad one, and I'm going to try and cover as much as I can. In the agenda for today, introduction, key factors that are important for testing for the simulation purposes, testing capabilities, including, and I'll shed some light on viscosity measurement and PVT measurement in particular. Advanced measurements like crystallinity and viscoelasticity will be discussed. Material digital twin, how viscous heating correction is done, and the testing of thermoset and EMC materials, and finally testing of composite materials. So plastic materials are an important factor for molding quality. In general, the molding quality is the quality of the molding itself is impacted by many factors like the machine itself, the molding, the mold or the part design, and the material, the process that is used, and so on. So all these factors have a significant impact on the molding defects that are listed here, be it splay, void, splash, flash, haziness, whitening, tiger striping, and so on. Material plays an extremely important role in getting a good quality output, and simulation of all those defects or avoidance of those defects, material testing, and plays a very, very significant role. Here you can see that there are multiple gates on this part, and we can, in the simulation, we can figure out as to which gate group fills the part slower versus faster, which gate contributes the least or the highest. And this difference is caused because of how viscous the material is, or what is the temperature of the material that is flowing in, what is the simulation showing, what is the actual showing, and comparing those two and being able to predict accurately and exactly will help us to mimic or replicate our production floor experimental phenomenon in the simulation or the virtual world.